Hello fam, it's Kwabna Vlogs and Reactions with another vlog here in Serbia. ID. So you guys may be wondering, where am I going? Where is this guy going? And it's showing you outside small things. Yes, so this is a road trip to Novi Sad, from Belgrade to Novi Sad. And guys, I'm loving nature here in Serbia. There's nothing you can tell me about Serbian nature, bro. This is absolutely like so stunning. Side by side with some sunflowers and things, people farming here and there. Like me exploring nature, me looking at nature whilst enjoying my trip to Novi Sad. Let's go. So yes, let me give you a little breakdown. Novi Sad is one of the beautiful cities in Serbia, and a lot of tourists like tripping there or trooping there to go to the city center. ID. Yo fam, so 1 hour later we arrived at Novi Sad, and guys, I really love this welcoming. Novi Sad, this is written in Cirilita. Those of us here in Serbia studying, we know Cirilita. That's Novi Sad right there. I also saw this river, and I'm sure it's the river that is connected to the one at waterfront. I'm suspecting. So guys, I was pressed and I need to use the washroom, and the ambience in the washroom is crazy. Can you see what I'm seeing? The ambience in the washroom. This is a washroom, not someone's living room, guys. So fam, welcome again to the city center of Novi Sad, and this is Liberty Square. Yes, Liberty Square. In the opposite side, this is the Church of Mary, and the other side is showing the city hall. Guys, this is amazing. There's a whole lot of places to explore here in the country called Serbia and in the city called Novi Sad. Stay tuned for more vlogs. This is Kwabna Vlogs and Reactions, live in Novi Sad. I'm here at the city center, and there's a whole lot of activities going on here. But I came purposely because I wanted to see this building, and it's really nice, guys. Come with me, let's explore the beautiful city of Serbia. And I'm right here in Novi Belgrade. I'm right here in Novi Sad. And guys, I'm seeing a lot of things, you know, Serbian ladies are very, very beautiful, but you have to be careful, guys. By the way, follow, like, share, and subscribe. ID, let's go. Olive, who are you on? Who are you on? Who are you? Politician. Voila. So I think this is a building, right? It looks like a church. In fact, it's a church. Okay. Now, I'm sure this building is, you know, popularly known for, you know, that huge clock over there. And I can see a lot of tourists, you know, around, people from all walks of life from the world. You know, they are here to explore the beautiful city of Novi Sad. And, you know, as I was saying, please on the ladies, man. Very, very nice, bro. I can't get my eyes off them, bro. That's good, that's good. As we explore the beautiful city. I'm going to talk to some of the locals. You know, I thought that it wasn't working, the clock.
Yeah, me too.
Guys, this is so nice that immediately the lights went on. I was like, wow. So this place is also very nice at night. I couldn't wait to get my camera or my phone to video this side. I really love the ambience when it is night. Guys, kindly follow, like, and share for more vlogs coming up. I do.